Good morning. So we are here at Mayport Naval Station in Jacksonville, Florida, out having a cup of coffee, and look at this beauty. This is something you never expect to see on a military base. So Carnival Elation, this is the boat, the Carnival Elation, and I'm sure she has been rerouted because of Tropical Storm Debby. Now, Debby has been upgraded to a hurricane. We don't know the category yet, but I'm sure they're being rerouted to get to safety. So we're just going to keep them lifted in prayer, and it was just good to see the ship. All right, fam.